The other stream of Waltham-funded research that I have is with children with autism in school classrooms. So we did a program in the schools with classroom pets. We actually worked with guinea pigs because we could house them in the classroom and care for them in that capacity. Some people think it might be fun to have a horse in the classroom, but that probably wouldn't be as feasible. So what we did is we looked at the effects of these animals for the children, because we know that children with autism in school classrooms can be bullied or isolated, it can be stressful. And what we found is that when we introduced the animal into the classroom, the children were showing reduced stress levels. So we actually had them wear wristbands to track their stress. And we saw in most social settings they have higher stress than their typically developing peers. But when the animals were introduced, that level went down. And not only did it go down, but we found they were interacting more with their peers. So we video recorded them and used a behavior coding tool, and we found they're smiling more, they're laughing more, and they're talking more with their peers. And in this study, we actually compared the animal to another fun and engaging activity, which were toys. So even compared to something that's specifically designed to engage smiles and laughter and talking, the animal was creating more of that behavior for the children with autism. And we actually found similar findings for the typically developing children in that they too were smiling and engaging more with people when the animals were around. So I think with autism in particular, we see a lot of news stories in media and even movies and books about individuals with autism whose lives are transformed from interacting with an animal. And this is kind of the first time with recent research that we're starting to see empirical evidence behind this about A, what's happening physiologically with their stress levels and their arousal levels, and B, what's happening behaviorally with their facial expressions and with their social interactions. And we're also seeing more from parents and teachers and reporting changes from these individuals as well. So we're really moving beyond what we see anecdotally to some more hard evidence about what's happening for children with autism.